Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I am preparing this video on the demand of many people. I am getting many queries from the many people that like how to appear for the test, what is the date of the online test for international taxation course. There are some people are saying that they are not able to get the link. Many queries I am receiving, therefore I have decided to prepare one video on that so that all these queries can be resolved. Friends, test date is tomorrow, that is 3rd of May, and test is live now, and you can appear for the test tomorrow whole day from morning to evening. And even right now also I am preparing this video at around 1 a.m. so this time also it is live. So tomorrow till 12 p.m. Sorry, tomorrow 12 11:59 p.m. बेसिकली कल रात के 12 बजे तक टेस्ट लाइव रहेगा. So you can appear for the test any time for the whole day. Now how to appear for the test, कहाँ पे लिंक है, उस सब चीज़ों के लिए let me give you the live demo. गूगल पे जाइए, टाइप कीजिए STUDYCAFE studycafe.in. On the Study Cafe website, you will see the link of the webinars. We will go to the webinar section. From here, if you scroll down, you will see the link of click here. You will see the link of click here to appear for the online test for international taxation certificates course. I am clicking here. So you will be redirected to the test page. Now what you need to do here, first of all let's read what is there written here. Test is free for all. Test contains 30 questions and it will be of the 30 minutes. Test will be accessed till 3rd May 2020 11:59 p.m. Result will be displayed immediately once you submit the test, and digital certificate will be provided to those participants who will clear the test. Certificate will be provided after 30 days post lockdown, and passing marks is 40%. So those who will get more than 40%, they will get the digital certificate from our side. Okay, now let's proceed to register. Click here, buy. It's free test, you need not to pay anything. Just mention your email ID. I am mentioning one email ID I have written here because I've already registered for my original email ID. This is the email ID where I have registered. Username, let me give this is as a username. Password I have given. Agree to the policy. Now free download. Please wait, it is processing. Once it will be done, it will be redirected on this page. Now you need to click here to start the test. Once you click here, test will start, and then you can see the question answers. You need to fill the basic details, your name, your organization name. Let's say my organization name is Study Cafe. Email ID, your phone number. Please note that email ID and phone number should be correct, which you have used at the time of registration on the Zoom when you appeared for the international taxation course. So we will match these email ID and mobile number from our database, and those who test result will be shared on the email ID. So please note that the email ID should be correct. It should not be the wrong email ID. Now from here you can see the test. There are 30 questions. I am on the page 2nd. Now page 3rd. Here you can see the timer here. If you see here, time is going on. So after 30 minutes it will automatically stop. Once you are done with the test, you can click next and submit. Immediately your result will be appear. So in my case, my result is 0 because I have not opted for any questions. Now you might have one or two queries like whether you have not appeared from the Zoom, but you have seen video from the YouTube, are you still eligible for the test? Yes, you are eligible for the test, even if you have seen our YouTube videos and not participated on the Zoom. You are still eligible for the test will be live for tomorrow. And apart from that, if you still have any query, you can WhatsApp me on my number. I'm just writing here, 8860779306. This is my WhatsApp number. On this number, if you have any queries, you can WhatsApp me. Please WhatsApp, don't call. I won't be able to attend the calls. This is my number, and my name is C. Deepak Gupta, and I'm the founder of Study Cafe. So you can WhatsApp me if you have any queries regarding the test. I will resolve your queries, but don't call me, just WhatsApp me. Thank you, friends. I think now you should not have any queries regarding the test. Still, if you face any query, just WhatsApp me. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching the video.